looks cool. Looks good. Side splitters, gotta have them. Check these out. Look at that. Look at that. That is a gotta have at this point. Oh my God. All right, so I'm going to show you the install on this. Pretty stinking simple. Easier if you have two people, but I'll show you how to do it with one. Right now, they're on my Model 3 Performance that already has a carbon fiber lip replacement. Also from Yeslak. Fantastic stuff. Highly recommend. But then I'm also going to put them on my friend's Model 3 Performance. It does not have the carbon fiber lips, so everybody can see what that looks like. But man, these look good. They look so good. All right, let's see what we got. Check it out. Air splitters. Oh man. All right, these are looking fantastic as usual. Yeslak with the carbon fiber. Always looking good. Dang. All right, can't wait to get it on the car. Just kind of cleaned it up. We've got some crazy, unseasonably warm weather. I already have their carbon fiber front lip replacement, which is like fantastic. I'll obviously point to the video on that, but this is going to go basically under here. Just got to line it all up. Oh man, oh, that is going to look good. Now, what I might do here is we got to tape it, obviously, and then we've got a couple of holes here to screw it in, a few holes here to screw it in. I might just screw it in for now, and then I want to show everybody what this looks like on a Model 3 Performance without a carbon fiber front lip, you know, so with the, it's basically a matte black that comes on the car, and I'm going to kind of mock it up on a friend's Performance Model 3, just to show you what that looks like, because it's going to be different, you know, with this just being matte black. So I think I'm probably just gonna like screw it in here, and it's gonna be like a little bit temporary, but oh man, yeah, I can't wait. All right, let's go. All right, so what I am doing to line this up is putting it over here, lining up the fender and the edge of this here. Then you kind of have to pivot like this way. So line this edge up below the actual, put it below the actual fender there. Line it up this way, and then kind of, and you feel where it wants to go, where it's shaped to. They give us a bunch of extra tape, adhesion promoter, and a bunch of screws. So new plan, lined it all up, nothing's taped, nothing's screwed in, taped it all down like this, and then I'm going to drill the holes, put the screws in. Then that way I know exactly where it's going to go when I finally tape it in, because you can't really, if you take the backing off of the tape, you can't do any kind of fine adjustments. So I think this might be the best way to do it. Once I know where the screws are going to be located, take them out, take a lot of the backing off of the tape, put it back on lightly with the screws, got it in the right spot, take the rest of the backing off, and then we're going to hold it down and make sure we got it stuck to the right spot. So I think that's going to be the right way to do it. You could also maybe put some tape in spots to help locate it, but to me that's a little bit difficult with one person, and especially if I have to look on this side and then look on that side, it's just kind of difficult to do. So I think this might be the best way to do it. All right, so I pre-drilled holes here, wherever here, after it was taped on there. Then the idea would be to start pull like half of this tape off, or some of it, the backing off of the tape, and then we're going to put the screws in part of the way, and it's going to remain a little bit loose, and then pull the backing off all the way, and then hold it down. Now again, I'm not going to go through that full process here, because I want to be able to take this off and show you what it looks like on my friend's car that doesn't have the carbon fiber lip, just, you know, because it's going to look a little bit different. Here, my God, does it look cool? But either way, it's going to look the same whole process. Once it's taped down, again, wipe this down with alcohol, definitely use the primer, and when you hold this down, you know, the screws are holding it down pretty well, but put some pressure on it for a good 30 seconds when it's at room temperature. If it's really cold out, you know, this tape is probably not going to adhere for a while. At room temperature though, you get about 80% or so adhesion within the first 30 seconds, and then within the next 24 hours it becomes pretty much 100% of what it's going to be. But yeah, it's always a good idea to have this stuff warmed up. If it's really cold out, Something like this might stay on with the screws, but if you've got something big, it's probably better to do and keep in a warm heated garage or when the weather's warmer. So, all right, let's screw this on and see what the whole thing looks like. Okay, taped it up where I wanted it, pre-drilled some holes into this. So, you know, through the existing holes down here, into this, making sure everything is in the proper spot. Got the screws drilled in now. So taking off this tape and then going to unscrew the screws, undo some of the backing on the tape, screw it in just very loosely, and then peel the backing off and then stick it down for good. Check this out. I got it out here more in the sun. Look at that. Oh, that looks cool. It looks good. Dang. Oh man, that looks so much better. I mean, that adds so much. Like, you know, just having this, it's just like, it's not enough anymore. You gotta have this. You have to have this splitter. Whew, dang. Oh man. Yeah, I am really digging this. I am really liking these. I mean, I thought they looked pretty cool, but geez, they look really good. Wow. Yeah, definitely needed. 100% necessary. Okay, number one downside. My car is lowered. It's probably a little bit too low, honestly. Got my winter setup on here right now, but either way, it's going to be this low even in the summer, and I am worried. I am worried because it's not that this is really lower than the lowest part of the car. It's just the geometry. It's where this part is lower. It's sticking out further and lower. That becomes more of an issue depending on, you know, what you're running into. It's really hard to have a lowered car driving around, you know, on planet Earth. So that's definitely a concern if your car is super low, but that's a known thing. Anytime you replace the front lip, get anything cool on the front of your car, you know, you're gonna have potential issues. So yeah, I'm worried about it. I'm probably going to, at a minimum, put some wrap on here. I did a complete amateur PPF job on this one, so I'm probably gonna do the same on here. We'll see. I might I got a guy to do this. This is definitely more difficult because it's just super curved in like every direction. So anyway, and please use the discount links below. They will save you the most amount of money. A lot of times they'll save you an extra 1 or 2% over the codes that they're always throwing out at you, and I would appreciate it. It really helps me out. Use the link, use my code TeslaMark, and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get going.